ground the rakers right down to nothing, and then ground the cutting tooth back from a chisel shape to more a knife edge. Have you ever been in a situation where you've put up a YouTube video to make some impression, and then the comments that you get after that are, huh, what can you learn off YouTube?
Well, you've got absolutely no idea how this is going to go. Only saw two videos. One was a guy that said you cut with the top part of the bar because the chain's going that way, which means it throws all the skirt that way, I guess. But what I've done, I did what the other guy did. He took the rakers down on this chain, took off half the cutter bar. I've only taken half the wrap off, but I'm only going to cut down here just to see how it cuts, and then we'll go from there. See how we go. That seemed to work. Seems to be working so far. So yeah, that goes. It's looking like I'm going to have to cut down further. I might give that a try, see how we go from here. As you can see, it's cut all this beautifully down through here. I just reckon conditions aren't the best for cutting up a bale here. I don't think I'd have any trouble cutting it up in little pieces if I went all the way through. The saw, as far as chocking up is concerned, it's really not too bad. It hasn't bogged it down, so I must be doing alright. Anyway, thanks for watching. It looks like that